Alright guys, we're back with another video. We got the PRV Forte 6.5 inch mid bass. It's the let me get the right information. Yeah, it's the Forte series, as you can see on the speaker right there. Anyway, I'll get out of the box right there. The 6-inch mid bass speaker, loudspeaker 8 ohms, 6MB55OFT. 2-inch voice cord, 275 watts RMS, 550 watts program power, and you can pick this one up on prvaudio.com. Be sure to like and subscribe to them as well. They got some good products over there, and be sure to hit the notification bell here. And I told y'all I was going to give y'all the let y'all hear this speaker play. This is the PRV Forte series, as you can see. All right, got the push terminals. I got another video. I'll link that one down below or in this video as well, so you can check it out on the unboxing of this speaker. But so we're gonna play this here. It's not in fine tune or anything like that. So it sounds a whole lot better when y'all do what y'all do to make it sound even better. So we're just playing it with raw sound, nothing fancy. We're just gonna go ahead and let y'all hear it. All right.
Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes. I'm never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's fact.
You can definitely feel more bass in this one than we did in the previous video on the 6FR200 full range speaker. All right, let's try another song. I'll try another song.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, isn't that? Spitting slow, speaking fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior.
Alright, so full volume right here? 20. At 20. We're gonna try to give it a little more volume and see. It sounds pretty loud to me, but we're gonna try to push it a little bit more. Like I say, it's only a little 200 watt amp. It's not tuned or anything like that, so I'm sure it'll sound a whole lot better when you get a little more qualified doing tuning or whatever. So all right, let's give it a little more volume.
know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
All right. Y'all be sure to leave the comments down below what y'all think of the PRV Forte speaker. This is the mid bass, 6.5 inch. And definitely has some punch to it. So if that's what you're looking for, this will be it. And let me pick this up and let y'all see. It's not a very light speaker for sure. Let y'all see the back. Oh, it's heavy now. Y'all see it's the push terminals. I got another video. I'll let y'all make sure y'all check that out. I'll link all those down below. Be sure to check out prvaudio.com. Subscribe to BASSWITHKEV.com where y'all already at. Be sure to like and share this video. And y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments down below.